my name is Scott Leger and I am the corporate chef here at Omcan. Today I'm excited to talk a little bit about some of our line of outdoor portable cooking equipment and accessories. It's summertime and there's nothing better than being outside with your friends and family. There's no better reason to bring everyone together than having a barbecue under the sun. Here we have one of our portable charcoal grills. It comes in different sizes and colors. You can take this anywhere, from tailgating at the big game to a picnic at the beach, or even just a quiet evening night with the family. For larger entertaining, here is one example of our outdoor propane barbecue grills. Available in 4 or 8 burner sizes, no one will be left hungry. Easy to assemble and can reach cooking temperatures in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you really want to make an impression, how about a crispy chicken wing anywhere you need it? With this portable deep fryer, you can do that. Easy to assemble, available in single or double tanks, you're able to make a crispy bite of whatever you're cooking at any time, anywhere. Love pizza? We have many different options of wood-fired pizza ovens that you can set up in your own backyard. These versatile ovens allow you to create delicious pizzas with authentic firewood flavor. This model also features our propane fuel option. So, if you're looking for a sizzling flavor of journeys, look no further than the Omcan collection. These are just a few examples of what we have to offer, so do yourself a favor, visit omcan.com for all your cooking equipment and accessory needs.